South African artist, originally from Cape Town. And I work mainly in print painting and wood sculpture. And I like to collaborate with others. I like language and a sense of following on. I think that this relates to also my techniques, which tend to be fairly labor intensive or process heavy. I would say I'm influenced by what I read, which the style with which a story is told, the attention to detail, to people, to interaction, what is hidden in human reactions, in human interactions, or what is going on between the lines in a sort of thinking, you know, what's under your table, what's under mine. The image of the washing line just kind of emerged out of thinking it's this thing that goes on and is repeated and is familiar. To me, movement is like the point of flux, and it can either escalate or it can all dissipate. It can become a fight or a dance, and this kind of vigor is interesting to me to capture.